Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the console and signing into your profile so changes apply to the right account. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, then choose Profile and System and select Settings. This is where Device Controls live. Once in Settings, move to Devices and Connections to reveal wireless options. Make sure any controller or headset you control is nearby so the console detects it. This reduces confusion when you later toggle Bluetooth off and confirms what will disconnect. Now focus on the Bluetooth subsection under Devices and Connections. This lists current pairings. Select Bluetooth, then choose the global toggle to turn Bluetooth off. This severs discovery and pairing. If you prefer, forget individual devices instead. Pick a device, choose Forget or Remove, and confirm. That prevents automatic reconnection. Once done, check the device list to make sure active entries read disconnected or removed, which proves the console stopped Bluetooth traffic and won't reconnect inadvertently. Finish by restarting the console to ensure settings fully apply. A reboot clears transient connections. After restart, verify no Bluetooth devices reconnect. If something still links, open Accessories or Devices lists and remove the problematic device entries manually. As a key troubleshooting tip, power cycle the peripheral, turn it off, then on again, so it stops broadcasting a Bluetooth signal that might force reconnection. If problems persist, repeat forgetting the device and check for firmware updates that could affect wireless behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.